Top most satisfying factory machines and ingenious tools that are on another level. Factory machines and tools are the unsung heroes of modern manufacturing. Every day, they help create the products that keep our lives running smoothly, from the smallest household items to massive industrial machinery. But there's more to these machines than just practicality. Many of them are designed to work with such precision and efficiency that watching them in action can be surprisingly satisfying. They make complicated tasks look effortless, and their smooth rhythmic motions are like a symphony of engineering perfection. Yanking plastic machinery. This company specializes in the production of blow molding machines, which are used to create large plastic containers such as water tanks, chemical drums, and fuel tanks. What makes Yanking's machines so satisfying to watch is their sheer power and precision. The process begins with a tube of molten plastic, which is extruded into a mold. Then, air is blown into the mold to shape the plastic into the desired form. The whole operation is done with incredible accuracy, and the result is a perfectly formed container that is both strong and durable. The fascinating part is seeing the molten plastic smoothly take shape inside the mold, almost as if it's being sculpted by invisible hands. Batten Machina, a company known for its high-performance sheet metal processing machines. These machines are used in industries ranging from automotive to construction, and they're capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from cutting and bending to punching and forming. One of the most satisfying aspects of Batten Machina's machines is their precision. Whether they're cutting through thick sheets of metal or bending them into intricate shapes, the machines work with a level of accuracy that is truly impressive. Watching a metal sheet being smoothly bent into a perfect angle or a complex form is incredibly satisfying. The machines work with such precision that the finished product comes out flawless, with no rough edges or imperfections. What makes Batten Machina's machines even more impressive is their speed. Yanking, a company that specializes in the production of advanced textile machinery. Yanging's machines are designed to weave, knit, and process textiles with incredible speed and precision. One of the most satisfying things about these machines is their ability to turn loose threads and fibers into perfectly woven fabrics. Watching a machine rapidly weave threads into a complex pattern is like watching a master artist at work. The threads move so quickly and smoothly that it's almost impossible to keep up with them, but the end result is always a perfectly woven fabric, with no loose threads or imperfections. What makes Yanging's machines even more impressive is their ability to handle a wide variety of materials, from delicate silk to heavy-duty canvas. Tuso, a company that produces advanced metalworking machinery. Tuso's machines are used in a variety of industries, from automotive to aerospace, and they are capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from cutting and shaping to drilling and milling. One of the most satisfying things about Tuso's machines is their precision. Whether they're cutting through thick metal plates or drilling precise holes, the machines work with a level of accuracy that is truly impressive. Watching a machine smoothly cut through metal, leaving behind a perfectly clean edge, is incredibly satisfying. The machines work with such precision that the finished product comes out flawless, with no rough edges or imperfections. What makes Tuso's machines even more impressive is their versatility. They can perform a wide range of tasks from simple cutting and drilling to complex milling and shaping, and they do it all with a level of speed and efficiency that is truly remarkable. Tuso Machinery, a company that specializes in the production of advanced packaging machinery. These machines are used in a variety of industries, from food and beverage to pharmaceuticals, and they are capable of packaging products with incredible speed and precision. One of the most satisfying things about RCM's machines is their ability to handle a wide variety of products, from delicate items like glass bottles to heavy-duty packages. Watching a machine carefully package products, ensuring that they are securely sealed and protected, is incredibly satisfying. The machines work with such precision that the finished product comes out perfectly packaged, with no room for error. What makes RCM's machines even more impressive is their speed. These machines can package large quantities of products in a short amount of time, without sacrificing quality. Mes Sawmill, a company that produces advanced sawmilling machinery. These machines are used to cut and process logs into usable lumber, and they are capable of performing this task with incredible speed and precision. One of the most satisfying things about Mes machines is their ability to take a rough, unprocessed log and turn it into perfectly cut lumber. Watching a log being smoothly sliced into planks of wood is incredibly satisfying. The machines work with such precision that the finished product comes out flawless, with no rough edges or imperfections. What makes Mes machines even more impressive is their power. These machines are capable of cutting through large, heavy logs with ease, and they do it all with a level of speed and efficiency that is truly remarkable. Watching these machines in action is like watching a powerful beast at work, effortlessly slicing through logs and transforming them into usable lumber. There's something deeply satisfying about seeing a machine perform a task that requires such power and precision, and Mes machines are a perfect example of this. FANGER FG, a company that specializes in the production of advanced thread rolling machines. These machines are used to create threaded parts, such as screws and bolts, with incredible precision. One of the most satisfying things about FANGER's machines is their ability to create perfectly formed threads with minimal effort. Watching a piece of metal being smoothly transformed into a threaded part is incredibly satisfying. The machines work with such precision that the finished product comes out flawless, with no rough edges or imperfections. What makes FANGER's machines even more impressive is their efficiency. These machines can create large quantities of threaded parts in a short amount of time, without sacrificing quality. The speed at which they operate is almost hypnotic, as they rhythmically create threads with effortless efficiency. And despite their power, they operate with a level of finesse that is truly remarkable. It's like watching a master craftsman at work, where every movement is precise and deliberate. FANGER, a company that specializes in the production of advanced rope-making machinery. These machines are used to create high-strength ropes for a variety of industries, from construction to transportation. One of the most satisfying things about FANGER's machines is their ability to weave and twist fibers into strong, durable ropes. Watching the fibers being smoothly twisted and woven together is incredibly satisfying. The machines work with such precision that the finished product comes out flawless, with no loose threads or imperfections. What makes FANGER's machines even more impressive is their versatility. They can create ropes of various sizes and strengths depending on the needs of the industry. And despite their speed, they operate with a level of care and precision that is truly remarkable. Watching these machines in action is like watching a master weaver at work, effortlessly creating strong, durable ropes with each pass. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.